The one ancient herb that balances stress, heals the gut, and clears the mind. What if the root of your anxiety, your fatigue, and even your poor digestion could be healed with one forgotten plant? Every day, we chase energy. We look for clarity in caffeine. We calm our stress with screens. We soothe our gut with pills. But what if real healing has been growing quietly in the earth all along? Let me introduce you to ashwagandha is not a stimulant. It's a harmonizer, not to numb symptoms, but to restore balance. A bridge between your body's chaos and its calm. In Sanskrit, it means the smell of a horse, because it was believed to give you the strength of one. This small, bitter root has been used for over 3,000 years in Ayurveda, the ancient system of Indian medicine. Modern science now confirms what sages always knew. In women, it gently supports hormonal balance and relieves symptoms of anxiety and brain fog. That means it helps your body adapt to stress. It does not force you to relax. It helps you return to your natural rhythm. In a 2019 study published in the Medicine Journal, participants who took ashwagandha had significantly lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that floods your body when you are anxious, overwhelmed, or in constant fight or flight. But it goes further. Ashwagandha supports the thyroid, improves sleep quality, enhances focus, and even increases testosterone levels in men. But here's where it gets emotional, because healing is not just physical. Many of us are stuck in a loop. Wake up tired, push through the day, eat emotionally, sleep restlessly, wake up tired again. We don't even realize we're not living, we're just coping. This is not your fault, because whether you're entering silence or stress, your mind and body must be steady. We were not designed for this pace. Constant stress is not normal, and when the body is stressed, the gut shuts down. The mind races, the heart closes. Gently, it slowly retrains your stress response, helping you move from reaction to presence, from panic to groundedness. Quietly, it teaches your nervous system to breathe again. A reminder that healing is slow, rooted, and wise. Ashwagandha meets you here. To listen, to support your body, instead of punishing it. Unlike chemical sedatives or quick fixes, ashwagandha works with your system, not against it. Be consistent. Let your system relearn how to breathe. You start noticing small shifts. You don't snap as quickly. You sleep through the night. Your cravings for sugar or caffeine soften. Your thoughts clear. And with consistency, a kind of resilience begins to grow. Monks took it before meditation. Warriors took it before battle. You still face challenges, but they don't shake you the same way. You become rooted. This is why it was sacred in ancient India. But here is the deeper truth. The herb alone does not heal. The ritual does. How you take it matters. Not just when, but how. Warm water, empty stomach. Let it be a symbol. It is an ancient invitation to slow down or blend it into golden milk at night, whispering thanks to the plant before you drink. Let it be more than a supplement. You are not broken. You are just out of rhythm. Ashwagandha brings you back. It is not a miracle cure. Start with a small dose, because beneath your exhaustion is energy waiting to return. Beneath your anxiety is peace waiting to rise. And beneath your burnout is a body still capable of balance. So ask yourself, what would happen if you gave your body just 1 week of real care?